Hello friends, today is my first day of school after vacations and look at all of these things. There's some paper, color chart, diary and other books. And you should see my school bag. Look, a Spider-Man lunchbox, Spider-Man bag, Spider-Man pouch. Now see my lunchbox. You see the fork and spoon in there. This is my water bottle. When you push this button, it opens right away. And see this straw, it pushes down. When I close the lid, down. Now let me show you my stick. You see this paintbrush, scissors, and sharpener, more sharpener, marker, scale, eraser, and colors, glue stick, crayons, and pouch, and pencil. This is chart, many chart. This is color chart, and this is color chart, and this is where you put all the paper, portfolio, and over here there's some color chart, and this is the cover of the books, and some plain paper, and you see these colors. Let me open it up and show you. Look at this thing. This goes. Let me make a little hole. And how many colors are they? 12. 12 colors. 12 colors. Now let me show you these crayons. They're really fun. Look, the colors of the rainbow. Now we're done with crayon. Let me show you these scissors. The handle is gold, but the rest of it is the same. And how many are they sharpeners? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let me show you these. See that? Let me take one out and show you. It didn't stop right now because you have to sharp it, and then it will have a lead like this on the box. Show you the razors. These are razors in a packet, and the razor in another packet. This is workbook. This is too workbook, and this is primary math. English workbook, Islamiyat, Urdu, and GK. These are readers where you read things inside. There are 6 in this pack, 6 in this pack. 6 plus 6 equals 12. There are 12 readers. This outfit. You open it at the back. Look at this. This is the paint outfit. It can be red and blue. And this is the pocket where you put all your paintbrushes. Now let me show you my red pouch. I love it. I love the color red. Now let me show you this. This is my art patch. Two diaries. This is where you write your homework so you don't forget. This is a book. This is an Urdu book. And Urdu book. Notebook. Work pad. This is where you do everything you like. This is the Urdu page. This is the math. And this is the English page. Now let me put all these books back. I'll put my books in this bag, and then I'll go to school. Daddy, check. Let me put the ID in this bag. Primary math. There. Workbook. This is an Urdu book. We need to take it to school too because we'll learn about Urdu. Islamiyat. English workbook. English. GK. I think I'm all. Now let me put these readers. Some of these notebooks because we are gonna learn a lot school today. At the end, I'll tell you why do we have to go to school. I think that's everything. Now let me take my pouch off of here. Gonna zip it. This is one heavy bag. Now let me put my lunch box in it. There. Now put my stationery in my pouch. I have to put a razor, 2 sharpener, 2 pencils, and a paintbrush. I'm definitely going to paint with this at school. And just scissor and that's all. And 1 glue stick and I'm all ready. There. We don't want to take the Mickey Mouse off, and I'll put it right this. Now let's go to school. Tell you why do we have to go to school? At school we can learn things, but we can also make some friends and do some fun activities. Staying home alone is so boring. So that's why we have to go to school. Bye.